welcome to Humbly Homesteading YouTube channel at the Welch's Joyful Mini Farm, where we find joy in all the many things of life. So I created this video to show the process of us building our chicken coop. Everyone who comes to the farm says, how did we build it, wants to know all about it, and just loves it. So I thought I'd make this video just showing the process. It's definitely imperfectly perfect for us. This was my husband's first time building anything like this, or anything like so big and designy and all that things. So we're really proud of it, and we're really thankful for it. Our chickens love it. And and at the end it'll be the finished product.